Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer and then go to keypad. We will start with the first code, which is very quick one, very short one. It's *#, 06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your Neffos. Click on OK to go back, and it's time for the second code, which is *#, *#, 426, #*. And here you can come along with events and also status. If you would like to open some advanced diagnostic mode, simply click on the more icon and select advanced view. And that's it. As you can see now, you can come along with loads of information regarding your device. So let me go back. And now it's time for the third code, which is *#, *#, 4636, #*. And here you can check the testing mode, so let's come along with phone info at first, where you can locate IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type, and plenty of other very useful information. You can also run a ping test here, and that's it. As you can see here, you've got the solution. So let me go back, and then here you've got the battery info. And you can come along with battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. So let me go back. Then we've got usage statistic. So here you can come along with all the details regarding your applications, like usage time and last time used. Then you've got network information, so you can check Wi-Fi APA, where you can locate disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and also connection info. Then you've got Wi-Fi configuration, and lastly you've got the status, so you can simply refresh Wi-Fi status here, and then you've got the solution below. You can also perform a ping test here. Simply click on run ping test, and here it is. So let me go back, and it's time for the last code, which is *#, *#, 225, #*. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info, so you can smoothly check the holidays in the place that you currently stay in, and also all the events signed in your device, in your calendar, in your Google Calendar. So from now on, no detail will miss you, so you will remember about all important events. So that would be all. These are all secret codes for your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.